Hello friends, thank you so much for watching my video, and today formula is fixed. One request, please pause this video whenever you want to so that you understand this formula in single shot. Why this formula required? Basically three reasons for using this formula. Number one, you can convert any number to a text. Second, you can fix the decimal places as per your requirement. And third, you can insert comma while using the thousand number. I'm just highlighting all the examples I mentioned. 10.25, so I fixed this, so result is 10 because I mentioned 0. 10.25, I want one decimal place, so result is 10.3. 1000, now I just fixed it, so comma inserted in the same. Now no decimal places required, so I mentioned 0. So basically for three different use you can use fixed formula. I'm just highlighting the example again. All these details already available in the description box of this video, so you can copy and paste for your future reference. Use of formula. This formula helps to convert numeric value to text. This formula helps to convert numeric value to text. Second, value can round it to a specific number of decimal places. Value can round it to a specific number of decimal places. Third, and comma can be inserted at the thousand. So these three different use of fixed formula. Now moving to formula meaning, which is same as the use of formula. Fixed number to convert means number, you can convert the number into a text. Decimal places, you can use decimal places as per your requirement, and you can insert commas. So this is the formula meaning of fixed. Now moving to formatting details. I'm just highlighting. Okay, no formatting required, and this formula works in every single version of Excel, guys. So I would really appreciate if you go ahead and try to use this formula in your Excel version. Then only you will be able to increase your Excel skills. This is very unique. This is, and nobody going to tell you this kind of formula, guys. I'm pretty much sure about it. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm just highlighting all the formula details, and now I'm just highlighting three different points. So again, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Have a great Excel future. Thanks a lot.